In this video, we're going to show you how to get rid of hard water that ruins your appliances, increases utility bills, and creates scale buildup on your fixtures. If you want to get rid of slimy hard water once and for all, then this video is for you. Our experts have reviewed the 5 top-rated water conditioning systems to help choose the best option for your specific needs. As always, we'll include our exclusive discounts and additional info on these products in the description box below. Starting with the best overall is the SpringWell FutureSoft Salt-Free Water Conditioner. SpringWell conditioners are highly rated, and for a good reason. The technology built into the FutureSoft Salt-Free Water Softener provides 99.6% scale prevention. Not only does this mean the end of lugging around bags of salt, but it also means a lot of savings. A more eco-friendly solution, the salt-free FutureSoft system produces no water waste and never discharges harmful salt brine into the environment. It processes your home's water by a process called template-assisted crystallization that conditions the hard water minerals, like calcium, to not only prevent scale buildup, but also remove existing scale buildup around the house. Once the minerals neutralize, they no longer stick to your water fixtures or glassware and keep your appliances and water heaters free of lime scale to prevent costly maintenance. This also means healthier skin and hair from your shower water, instead of that slimy feeling you get from hard water. What we especially like about the FutureSoft is it was designed for maximum water pressure of up to 20 GPM, so you never have a drop in pressure even if there are multiple appliances running simultaneously. The durable SpringWell system incorporates 20 years of expertise and is manufactured in the USA using only certified components to protect your investment for the long term. The pros are the lifetime warranty and a 1 million gallon water conditioning guarantee. It eliminates new and existing water scale buildup. It's guaranteed no drop in water pressure. And it's chemical and salt-free, and there's no wastewater created or electricity required. The cons are that it may require additional professional plumbing installation costs, and the pre-filtration is recommended if you have well water. Next is the best cartridge-based option, the Evo Whole House Salt-Free Water Conditioner. Utilizing the latest in high-performance salt-free conditioning technology, the Evo is specifically designed for worry-free water from every tap in your home, without the negative effects of salt and hard water scale. The Evo system also comes with a 20-inch pre-sediment filter to remove silt and debris as water enters your home, which helps protect your system for the long term. Since the system does not require any salt, electricity, or drain line to operate, it is virtually maintenance-free. And the cartridge does not need replacement since the eSoft salt-free conditioner physically alters the water's composition, rather than chemically altering it like an ion exchange process. Unlike many competitors which only address future scale, the Evo water softener system will not only prevent future scale from forming in your plumbing, but it'll also remove existing scale formation. The best part is you get all this without a drop in water pressure. The Evo has the capacity to support a house with up to 6 bathrooms and has a huge max flow rate of up to 15 gallons per minute. What we especially like is since it's a cartridge-based system, it has a smaller footprint than tank-based systems. Installation is made simple with the easy water in, water out design that only requires 2 connections. Most DIY folks can complete the task in under 60 minutes. The pros are that it's backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty. It doesn't require any salt or chemical to remove scale buildup. It's made in the USA with only certified premium components, and it comes ready for use with easy installation. The cons are that it works best for homes with less than 6 bathrooms, and it's best suited for city or municipal water sources. Next is the best budget option, the Aquasana Salt-Free Water Conditioner. If you need a whole house conditioning system on a tight budget, but don't want to sacrifice quality and performance, meet the Aquasana. The efficient upflow design increases water contact time with the filter media to break down calcium and magnesium, protecting your home from scale buildup. Using their scale control media, scale buildup is removed by transforming the hard water, causing minerals into harmless, microscopic, crystal particles that pass through your plumbing without sticking to any surfaces. This means your water appliances, skin, and hair won't suffer from the effects of harmful scale residue. Although the Aquasana is a tank-based conditioner, the compact dual-tank structure is engineered for quick filter replacements, unlike other water conditioners that require bulky replacements. And you won't have to worry about a drop in water pressure. The salt-free water conditioner has a peak flow rate of up to 14.4 gallons per minute, so it's built to support multiple appliances running simultaneously. Since the Aquasana requires no electricity, drain lines, or back flushing, installation and maintenance are relatively painless. Plus, with a 6-year warranty and 90-day guarantee, Aquasana has your water softening covered. The pros are that it has a long 600,000-gallon water conditioning capacity. It maintains a high 14.4 GPM water flow rate for busy homes. It's easy installation and maintenance, and it's made from safe, high-density, triple-lined, food-grade materials. The cons are that it works most effectively with a whole house water filter, and the flow rate and capacity are not as high as more premium conditioners. Next is the best comprehensive system, the Crystal Quest Salt-Free Water Conditioner. Using a 4-stage system, the Crystal Quest not only provides hard water treatment, but also offers effective filtration with its included pre- and post filters. The key to perfectly conditioned water is the Crystal Quest's ability to transform hard water minerals into mechanically stable and heat-resistant calcite crystals. Lime and calcium deposits simply rinse from the system. All that's left is clear, fresh, drinkable water with positive health benefits. Starting in Stage 1, a 20-inch sediment filter cartridge removes large silt, sand, and dirt particles. Stage 2 utilizes Crystal Quest's anti-scale media tank, where the hardness-causing minerals are conditioned to not attach to any surface, but also remove existing scale buildup. Stages 3 and 4 then push water through another 20-inch solid carbon cartridge to remove volatile organic compounds, chlorine, pesticides, and more before entering the 4th stage ultrafiltration membrane. This final 0.2 micron membrane removes viruses, bacteria, and parasites to produce the highest purity water quality for your home. Backed with a 1-year warranty, the Crystal Quest is our top choice for a comprehensive water conditioning system. The pros are that the system comes with anti-scale conditioning tank, with 3 other filters included. It removes existing scale buildup and forms a corrosion protective layer. Its alternative Eagles Orb ES3 scale control media. And you can choose from sturdy fiberglass or stainless steel tank casing. The cons are that it may require professional installation if you're not DIY inclined, and a more premium price point because of everything that's included. Next is the best electronic descaler, the Yarna Capacitive Electronic Water Descaler. Don't let the size fool you. The Yarna is a powerful and cost-effective alternative to tank or cartridge-based conditioners. Designed to be a whole house treatment solution, this system uses capacitive electric impulses generated by an electronic unit to descale the pipes and appliances, reducing the negative effects of hard water. A key differentiator of the Yarna is that it works with any water hardness level. Unlike many descaler competitors, the Yarna has no max hardness limit, making it perfect for well water and extra hard water conditions. And the Yarna works with any pipe type, up to 1 inch thick, whether iron, copper, stainless steel, plastic, PVC, and PEX. Because the system doesn't remove any of the minerals that are actually good for our bodies, you can rest assured that your water will be healthy and safe to drink while improving skin and hair in the shower. This descaler is especially ideal because of the easy installation and low maintenance. It can be installed in under 15 minutes without plumbing modifications, and you can just as easily take it with you to your next home if you move, unlike the other permanently fixed systems. Best of all, the Yarna comes with a risk-free 365-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out completely risk-free. With a very reasonable price point, the Yarna is our top choice for electronic descalers. The pros are that it's designed to treat the entire home's water supply. It works with any water hardness level. It has easy installation in less than 15 minutes, and it doesn't require salt or chemicals. The cons are that it does have a slightly higher price than some more simple descaler models. Don't forget to check the description box below for more water softener information and special discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.